Hi friends, couple of months back I purchased this rear view mirror for my Polygon hybrid bike. Technician there told me that the end of the grip that is fitted on the handlebar of my bike has to be cut in order to fix this rear view mirror. But I didn't want to do it because I didn't want any of the original parts of my bike getting tampered. At the same time, I didn't have any idea of any alternate arrangement for doing this. So I had to keep this work pending for some time. But whenever I rode the bike, I felt the need of this rear view mirror, and I was fully convinced that this rear view mirror is not an optional accessory but it's a must for a cyclist. So I decided to devote some time specifically to find a solution for this. Myself, along with my wife, who is also a cyclist, discussed and we came out with a solution. The solution is design of a mounting bracket for this rear view mirror. The design is nothing but making a mounting bracket using PVC pipe and fittings. It is very simple to make, needs only few parts costing very little. Moreover, you don't have to alter any of the original parts of your bike. Please watch this video and share it with others. It may help many other cyclists like me. Thank you very much.
To make this bracket, I have used 3-inch long PVC pipe of 3/4 of an inch size, a T and an elbow, and PVC solvent cement. First, I cut the PVC pipe into two pieces. One is of 1 inch length and balance will be of 2 inch length. Then I cut the PVC T almost at the center. But please observe that I removed little less than half so that the T sits tight on the handlebar of the bike. Once PVC T is cut, I joined 1 inch long PVC pipe and the PVC T using the PVC solvent cement. Similarly, I joined the other end of the PVC pipe to the PVC elbow using PVC solvent cement. Then I joined the lengthy pipe also to the PVC elbow using PVC solvent cement. Now the bracket for the rear view mirror is ready for fitment. I fitted it on the handlebar of my bike. Clamped them firmly using cable ties. Now the bracket is firmly fitted on the handlebar of the bike and ready for mounting the rear view mirror. I fitted the rear view mirror also, and the bike is ready for a ride.